Good morning, guys. What's up, you guys? So, this guy is checking for air, which is really weird, but hey, that's okay. So, that's pretty cool and exciting. So talk to you guys then.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do 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 do.
It's Go Dogs for One.
Hey guys, I'm gonna be working on a project right now, you guys. That's gonna be coming soon, but I can't tell you guys the project because it is a secret project. So I'm gonna be working on the project. Hopefully, you guys like this project. I don't know. It's gonna be behind the scenes. Actually, I'm gonna do it on this channel probably, but I need to pick up some grants and do it. So that is what's coming up. I have to get some stuff. Can't really. I can. Like, I have some other stuff already. I just need some stuff, so talk to you guys when I get done. So I'm going to teach you guys how to make a play button with the materials that I have right now, guys. So talk to you guys when I tell you guys how I make the play button. My play button that I'm gonna wait till more subscribers, but that'll be awesome. So talk to you guys then. First thing is that you have to figure out which one you guys are gonna use. I prefer this one because it's easier and looks like a old play button. This one kind of does a little bit, but I don't know. I haven't decided yet, but that's the plan. So cut out of the stuff that you guys don't need, like this excess stuff I don't really need. So I'm cutting that out, so talk to you guys in. Thing is, rinse out all the gunk out of the whatever you like to call it, foundation, whatever you like to call it on this. So I'm gonna do that right now. Once you have this cleaned out as best as you can, you pick a side that you want. So I prefer this one because it looks cool. So that's what I'm going to be spray painting this side. So that is awesome. You have to wait for this to dry. That is, I'm going to wait till that dries. So that is what I'm going to be doing. Waiting for this to dry, I'm going to take all the stuff out of this, the picture frame, that we are going to take out all the stuff, that excess stuff that we don't need. So we don't need this, we don't need this, we just need the glass and the back. So that is amazing. So talk to you guys when you do the next step. Grab your sticker paper, whatever you use, it's up to you. Oops, I got some scribble. So whatever you guys do, you guys can get some back things that peel off, or it's up to you guys. Or you guys can get a professional to do the stickering. It's up to you guys. Step that you guys have to do is try and figure where you want the stuff. So I want like this, and then the square thing right there around this area. So this is gonna be really cool. So yeah, it's gonna be really nice and organized. So that is awesome. This project is take your sticky thing and peel it back and put it wherever you guys like. So mine's gonna go right here, and then it's gonna go right there, and then my YouTube name is gonna go right there. So it looks cool. I put the right background so you guys can't really see the difference between them two. That's my plan. I hope it works out. It looked like this so far. Ooh, shoot. Looks like that so far. I got some paint on there. Whoopsie. But it should look like that, you guys. Next step is you cut a triangle and put it on your play button. So that's the next project. This is what the finished touch should look like. I'm just going to let this dry a little bit because it's wet still, so I'm gonna wait 2 hours before I can put in the picture frame. So talk to you guys then.
2 hours later.
After 2 hours, you guys waiting for the spray paint to dry, you put it where you want it. So my suggestion would be like right there, And then you put the glass on. I can't do this with one hand, so I have to switch hands. Oops. I need to move that table. Then you put it on the table. And then you put it like this. Oh, sheesh. Nope. Then you put it in the middle somewhere on the glass, so wherever you like it. So it can be like right there. Somewhere that you like to be in the middle. And then you put the back on, and there's your YouTube play button. Once you have that out and about. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up, and talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. Goodbye.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Make sure to check out some more videos of mine right over there. And, oh, you didn't hit the like button yet? How could you? How dare you? Thanks for watching. Bye!